Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video you are going to learn purchase price allocation. Topic I am going to discuss are what is purchase price allocations or PPA, components of purchase price allocations. An example of purchase price allocations. Let's start the video. In acquisitions accounting, purchase price allocations or PPA is a practice in which an acquirer allocates the purchase price into the assets and liabilities of the target company acquired in the transactions. Purchase price allocations is an important step in accounting reporting. After the compilations of a merger or acquisitions deal, the currently accepted accounting standards such as the International Financial Reporting Standards or IFRS require employing the purchase price allocations methods for any types of business combinations deals. It applies to both mergers and acquisitions. Previous accounting standards only required a PPA when there were acquisitions, not in merger. Components of purchase price allocations. Number 1, net identifiable assets. Net identifiable assets refer to the total value of assets of an acquired company after liabilities have been deducted. Identifiable assets are those that have a certain value at any particular point in time and those that have clearly reasonably quantified benefits. These assets represent the book value of assets on the acquired company's balance sheet. Identifiable assets may be both tangible and intangible assets. Second, write-up. A write-up is a adjusting increase to the book value of assets that is made if the assets carrying value is less than its fair market value. The write-up amount is determined when an independent business valuations specialist completes the assessment of the fair market value of assets of a target company. Third, goodwill. Basically, goodwill is the excess amount paid over the target company's net value. It's the difference between an acquired company's purchase price and the fair market value of its assets and liabilities. From an acquirer perspective, goodwill is critical in its accounting reporting because both us Space GAAP and IFRS require a company to re-evaluate all recorded goodwill at least once a year and record impairment adjustment if necessary. Example of purchase price allocations. Company A recently acquired company B for $10 billion. Company A recently acquired company B for $10 billion. The book value of company B's assets is $7 billion, while the book value of the company's liabilities is $4 billion. Before, the value of the net identifiable assets of company B is $3 billion. The estimate of an independent business valuation specialist figured out that the fair value of both assets and liabilities of the company B is $8 billion. This finding implies that company A must recognize a $5 billion write-up to adjust the book value of the company's assets to its fair market value. Finally, company A must record goodwill since the actual price paid for the acquisition exceeds the sum of the net identifiable assets and write-up. Therefore, company must recognize $2 billion as well goodwill. If you find the video helpful, give us a like, share the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.